So as you can see in the previous video, sometimes adjustments come with loud cracking noises, but not all adjustments are like that. Within our office, we use another technique that we call the Activator, which is this tool right over here. And the reason why we use this is just specifically for your needs. And there's a certain protocol that we use to find out where we need to adjust so that we can be very specific on the areas that we need to apply the adjustment. So no matter the technique, however we adjust your spine, a healthy spine is a healthy life.